In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide message notifications on Instagram. If you are getting distracted by constant pings every time someone sends you a message or a group chat lights up, this walkthrough will help you turn those off so you can use Instagram on your own terms. We'll do everything from inside Instagram settings, and you can always come back later and switch things on again if you change your mind. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen with your feed, where you see posts from accounts you follow. If you're using the desktop version in a browser, you'll see a column of icons and options down the left-hand side. We're going to work from there. Look down that left-hand column and find the option labeled More. It usually appears toward the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on More. This opens up a small menu with additional options that aren't shown by default on the main sidebar. From that new menu, choose Settings. When you click Settings, Instagram will open a dedicated settings page, still with a column of options on the left and more detailed controls on the right. This is where you can manage most of your account preferences, including notifications. In the Settings column on the left, find and click on Notifications. This takes you to Instagram's Notification Center, where you can control what types of alerts you receive. You'll see different categories here, but for now, we're focusing specifically on how Instagram notifies you about messages. Within the notifications area, select Push Notifications. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your device's screen or in your browser, even when you're not actively looking at Instagram. Once you click Push Notifications, Instagram will load a list showing all the different things it can notify you about. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. This controls notifications for direct messages, whether they're one-on-one conversations or group chats. Under this heading, you'll see options, including one labeled Off. Click on Off. Once you've selected Off, Instagram will stop sending push notifications when you receive new messages. Your messages will still arrive in your inbox, and you can read and reply to them whenever you open Instagram, but you won't get those pop-up alerts interrupting you. If you ever want message notifications back, just return to the same place, choose a different option, and your alerts will resume.